Dear children, this video will basically deal with the chapter number 3 of mathematics for class 5, that is how many squares. Here we will understand the concepts of the perimeter and the area of the mainly the polygons, okay, and we can have the area for the curved surfaces also. So let's see the perimeter. Perimeter of a figure is the distance all the way around the figure. That means when we count or we add all the distances around the periphery or along the boundary of a picture or any shape, we find the perimeter. For example, for this shape you can say it is a rectangle. The perimeter is 5 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9. The total length of its boundary is 28 centimeters, so its perimeter is 28. Now in the same way you can find the perimeter of different shapes. It is done here. For example, the sides are in meter, so perimeter should be in meter. By adding all the sides, by adding all the three sides of the triangle, you are getting the perimeter is 21 centimeter. For this polygon it is 39 millimeter, since the sides are in millimeter. If the sides are in the inch, so the perimeter should be by adding all the sides in the inch, and the ultimately perimeter will be in the inch only. For the square, we all know that the sides are equal, so by adding all the sides 4 times, side plus side plus side plus side, we have to add to find its perimeter. So in the short and summary, we can tell that the perimeter formula for the square is 4 into side. Okay, since we add 4 times, some pictures are drawn for you. The sides are 9, so 9 for the 36, it should be 7 inch, so perimeter should be 7 into 4, 28. 11 into 4, that is 44, and 5 into 4 is 20. Okay, and the unit, whatever units are there, it will be same. For the rectangle, perimeter is by adding length and length twice, because we know that perimeter of the rectangle is by adding all the sides. So there are, lengths, opposite sides are same, or the lengths are same, width are the same. On the place of width we can use the breadth also, that is the on the place of w you can use the b, that is for the breadth. So 2 into w plus 2 into l, or in the short also it is somewhere written, and in the books it is referred also, that is 2 into l plus b. So for these pictures you can see that by adding the length and the breadth and multiplying 2 to them, you will get the perimeter is 30 here. You can solve it out and you can cross check that it is correctly done or not. Okay, millimeter, inches. So in I will repeat that if the in whatever units the side are there, the perimeter will also be in the same unit. Now coming to the area. The area of a figure is the number of the squares unit, okay, that is covered in the surface if it is a closed surface. Okay, so here you can see that how many small squares are covered. So by counting you can say it is 45 square units are covered. So 45 square units is its area. Okay, for a square unit there are different methods we use. We can use the square unit also, we can use the unit squared also. Okay, if you use like this unit squared, so centimeter and small 2 is written, it is read as the centimeter squared. Okay, or it can be read as square units also, square inches, square meter, square centimeters, in whatever units the sides are there. The area of a figure is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. So suppose if you find this area of this green region, so by counting the squares we can easily tell that number will be the square units for the area. So in the same way, if it is here for square, you can see that 4 4 4 4, so 4 into 4, 16 centimeters squared. Okay, 25 square inch, 49, okay, and 81 if it is in the feet, so 89 81, 9 9 is 81 square feet can be the area. For any figure we can count and calculate the area by counting the squares. For example, see, I can do any picture for you. For example, it is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 3 are 12, plus 2 are there, so 14. Now these two half will make 15 and these two half will make 16. So we know that two half squares will make the complete square, so we have counted two half as the one full square. So 16 square units is its area, 27 is its area. Like that you can do for the others also. Area of a square, we count the area of a square by multiplying the side into side. Okay, because we have to see that how many squares are covered, so best way is by multiplying the side into side. The area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, the formula is very easy for you. We have discussed it while going through the online classes. So L into breadth or L into W is also used. W is for the width. As I've already told, you can use the breadth also. So for this rectangle, you can see 6 4 are 24, 11 7 are 77, 16 3 are 48 square feet. We will take care that always we should use this square, either in the symbol or by using SQ dot, and then we write the inches or the centimeter or whatever the unit is there. You have already understood it. So area is L into W or L into B. Now there is one question for you. For example, see, this is a rectangle. Its length is 8 and its breadth is 6. So how much should be its area and how much should be its perimeter? So for area, very easily we can say that it is length into breadth. So 6 into 8. Okay, so its area should be 48. 6 8 is 48 meters square or square meter. You can write. The perimeter will be 2 into L plus B or 2 into L plus W. Okay, or L plus L and W plus W also you can do. There are various ways to find out the perimeter. So while you will add this all, you will find that the perimeter is coming 28.